Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tracks IELTS vocabulary series. I am Dr. Athar Mansoor and I am going to teach you 3 new words for IELTS writing and speaking. The first word for today is inviolate. INVIOLATE, which means pure. You can construct a sentence like this one. Secured in the glass display case, the priceless painting was kept inviolate. The second word for today is Maxim, MAXIM, which means true saying. A sentence like this can be constructed by you. My favorite maxim is measure twice, cut once. The third word for today is vicissitude. VICISSITUDE, which means shift of luck. You can construct a sentence like this one. Farmers are especially vulnerable to the vicissitudes of the Mother Nature. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more and join Tracks.